All right, let's get over to Alexa. Everybody is worried about this now.
Yeah, we have the weekend to get prepped for it though, so that's good news. And it is warm right now. Temperatures are in the 70s. Now we have our first cold front that's going to be coming in later today. Not the Arctic air, but it is going to be chilly heading into tonight into tomorrow morning. But that's kind of just the prep for the next week Arctic blast that will make it feel absolutely frigid outside for a couple of days starting next Tuesday. Right now, temperatures are in the 70s across the region, even 78 degrees in Bogalusa, 75 in New Orleans. Now it is windy. We're going to stay windy throughout the rest of your Friday. Sustained winds around 20 miles per hour, gusts up to 30, 35 miles per hour possible this afternoon. As we head throughout today, temperatures will be falling, so we're in the 70s now, then we'll get to the 60s, eventually the 50s this evening, and then down to the 40s overnight and some 30s actually. We'll probably be in the 30s on both sides of the lake heading into Saturday morning. But the weekend looks great. We'll have lots of sunshine, but it is going to be chilly in the mornings and in the evenings going into the weekend. So tomorrow morning, our low temperatures will probably fall to the lower 30s north and west of the lake, upper 30s on the south shore. So if you're north and west of the lake, think about maybe protecting those very sensitive plants tomorrow morning. Both sides of the lake, of course, think about keeping warm and keeping those pets warm heading into tomorrow morning. So this is kind of just the teaser to what's coming. So this is manageable cold that we've seen many mornings already this winter season so far. So we do have a cold start to tomorrow on the way. Lots of sunshine for your Saturday and Sunday. It is going to be cool in the afternoons. Temperatures only reach the 50s for our highs on Saturday and around 60 degrees Sunday. And Sunday morning, once again, will bring us a chilly start to the day. So next week is the Arctic blast. So Monday's still going to be mild in the 50s in the day. And then Tuesday, that's when in the morning we'll see a hard freeze north and west of the lake. Wednesday morning will be our coldest morning. That's when both sides of the lake will see a hard freeze Wednesday morning. And getting into Tuesday, that's going to be a very cold day. So Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, we'll have very frigid wind chills in the teens and even the single digits on the North Shore. So we have a lot to talk about going into the next week. So today, cold front number 1 coming in, giving us a cool weekend. And then the Arctic blast comes in late Monday. And that's when temperatures will really plummet. So Tuesday, our highs in the afternoon will probably only top out in the upper 30s. And then Wednesday will only reach the lower 40s. So it's going to be very cold for a couple of days next week. And with that Arctic blast, we'll see some moisture associated with it. So this is the GFS model Monday. We'll see some rain showers during the day, possibly in the afternoon, and then we go into late in the night and into early Tuesday morning. You notice this pink color here. Maybe, just maybe, there could be a very light little mix of rain and maybe some sleet pellets on the North Shore. Not a huge concern, just something to keep in mind, especially if you travel early Tuesday morning on the North Shore, because on some bridges and maybe some overpasses, there might be some little slick spots, possibly. There's still several days out till this time, so we have a lot of time to track this. Really not a huge concern, just something to kind of keep in mind for Tuesday morning. We're not going to see any real big issues with ice or no big issues with any kind of wintry accumulation, so that's good news. Here's a look at the Euro model, again bringing us maybe some light little rain showers during the afternoon, and then again Tuesday morning possibly a light little mix of some rain and some sleet pellets possible on the North Shore, but I'm not really anticipating much of a huge deal. It's really just going to be how cold it is outside. So this is Tuesday morning's low temperatures. This is when we'll have that hard freeze on the North Shore Tuesday morning. South Shore will still be above freezing, but still very cold in the low 30s Tuesday morning. Wednesday morning, that's the incredibly cold day. We're looking at teens on the North Shore, 20s on the South Shore. This is our hard freeze morning on both sides of the lake. And check out these wind chills Tuesday. Feels like the 20s and 30s in the afternoon, and then at night feels like the teens and possibly even the single digits on the North Shore heading into Wednesday morning. So it is going to be extremely cold for several days next week. So if you like warm weather, soak it up now. This weekend looks great though. Plenty of sunshine Monday again. Looking at just some rain showers. We'll be talking maybe that little mix Tuesday morning more in detail in the coming days, but I wouldn't worry too much about it. And then of course, Wednesday morning is our big hard freeze. And as we head into Thursday, temperatures will get a little bit milder with 50s returning by Thursday.